guys, welcome back to today's video. So we have something really fun today. We're going to be reviewing this viral matte foundation from Dollar Tree. This is the Pro Lux Cosmetics Matte Foundation, and we also have a setting powder to review from them as well. Jefree Star reviewed this foundation on his Instagram and TikTok, and then it went crazy. I knew about it before that video because I am Dollar Tree obsessed and I know about everything new that launches there. It just took my stores a month to get them in. So I finally found it the other day and I was like, we have to test this. I did a review for my TikTok and Instagram, and then today I'm filming a review for you guys for YouTube because you are all asking me on my shorts when I showed you that I found that foundation to do a review. So we are going to be testing it out. We're going to be doing a wear test. I'm going to give you guys my honest thoughts on this foundation and if it actually lives up to the hype. So if you love these reviews, if you love Dollar Tree content shopping, then subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into my review of the new Pro Lux Matte Foundation. Let's get into this foundation review. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So I got 4 shades of the Pro Lux foundation. I will show you guys all the shades that I got, and I have to see how many exactly there are in total. I did take a picture of all the ones that I found because I found over 10 different colors. So here are all the shades. We have the shade that I am wearing currently. I tore open the box. This is Honey, which is the deepest shade I got. We also have Natural. I would say these definitely lean more towards warm. There were also a couple of cooler tone shades. I lean more towards the warm shades personally. I also got Shell, and I don't know why I got Porcelain because I'm not porcelain, but maybe for mixing, I don't know. So yeah, I got a bunch of these. I can always give some away too if I want to. And I also got 2 of the powders. So I got, again, I don't know why I got the shade Ivory. I'm not Ivory. And I did get Translucent. So I'm not going to end up using Ivory. I need to take one of the deeper shades to set the rest of my face, but we will use a Translucent. And yes, this is $1.25 at Dollar Tree. I did my skincare already, so I'm just going to go ahead and put on a primer. Achieve a matte finish with our lightweight foundation, perfect for everyday wear. This long-lasting formula will keep your skin looking smooth and shine-free all day. Make sure to prime your skin, apply a thin layer, build up coverage, and top with a setting powder. This is a water-based foundation. The first ingredient is water, then glycerin, mineral oil. It does also have hyaluronic acid in here. I don't know why they don't call that out, but I do see that on the ingredients list. And I did try this foundation out yesterday for my TikTok and Instagram reels, so I already have an opinion on this and I cannot wait to share with you guys and show you everything and show you guys the results because I just can't wait. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna do a brush on one side and a sponge on the other side. For primer, I'm gonna go in with the silicone-free priming moisturizer from Good Molecules. I love the way that this feels. I feel like Good Molecules is underrated as a skincare brand. Their stuff is really good and they're very transparent about their ingredients. Packaging, we have a really cute little millennial pink cap, and then we actually also have a pump, which is so exciting. I love when there's a pump. It just makes life so much easier. I'm gonna go ahead and use my IT Cosmetics brush. I love this brush so much. It's pricey, but it's worth it. I use it literally every day. And the other side has a concealer brush. As far as scent goes, it smells like an old lady, and it smells like those really bad bathroom soaps that smell like an old lady. That's the best way I can describe it to you guys. I'm also going to take this down my neck, on the forehead. Lately I've also been trying to put a little bit on my ear to match everything. But this is a pretty good color for my fake tan right now. I did a mousse. It does dry matte, but it's not it doesn't feel dry on my skin, which is nice. And by the way, I don't think I told you guys, I'm filming this in front of my window. That's why I have this really ugly TV as my background, because my sliding doors, this is the background to my sliding doors where I have the most light. My only other light source that I could use a window, the background would be my kitchen, and I just feel like that looks even worse. So I figured this is the best of either world. Okay, so let's move on to the sponge. We'll do a full pump And I do have a little bit of acne and redness. It's Shark Week, you guys, you know, riding the crimson wave. So that is when I tend to get more breakouts. So it's really not that bad though. Like I, thank God, only had like one white head this morning. Usually it can get like pretty bad, but just like when I'm hormonal is when I break out. And then, you know, you end up picking and then you get a scar. I can't leave a white head on my face. Like I feel it looks hideous. Like I cannot go out knowing I have a white head on my face. I'm sorry, like I have to pick it. It's just, I can't do it. And like if I talk to someone, they see I have a white head on my face, like no sir, it's just not the look for me. Again, blending it down the neck, a little on the ear. I'm also obsessed, by the way, you guys, with wearing gold hoop earrings. It's like my entire personality. I just think they're so, they like literally make the whole look. Like I put on the hoops and I'm like, who is she? She's a new woman. Sponge side looks great as well. And my forehead always does look a little shiny, but honestly, I don't mind that. Like when my forehead is shiny, people think you have Botox. I don't. So I'm like, that's fine with me. I do not mind being oily, to be quite honest with you guys. Okay, color looks good. I love how this looks, you guys. I think this looks so good. I love the way this foundation looks. I honestly like this even more than a lot of my drugstore foundations. Like I like it better than the Maybelline Skin Tint, and that is saying a lot. This is $1.25. Like wait till you guys see when all my makeup is done and I like do my concealer, because I was like blown away yesterday when I tried it, and then I just see like it is so nice. Like the finish is so good. So I'm oily, like I said. Since this is matte, if you are more dry, I feel like you might have to test that out, because yesterday by the end of the day I was a little oily, but it still didn't look bad. I will show you guys like at the end of the day what I look like. I'm gonna even probably work out, so I'm sure I'll be a little shiny, but I'll do a wear test and show you like what it looks like so you can get an idea. I do have this new, I'm gonna do a video on these new launches, but this Essence Under Eye Brightener Concealer. It's like a pink concealer in the shade Light. And I'm just gonna apply some of that under my eye. I feel like this is good to like mix with another concealer. Like sometimes I'll just do a pink concealer under my eyes, but you can add your regular concealer on top of this. And then I'll take the other side of my foundation brush and blend in the edge. That's like a little trick I like to do. She looks really pretty and definitely brightening. Whoop, I added a little too much. Wipe some off there. And I always put concealer down the side of my nose because it's kind of like a reverse nose contour. I'm always struggling with the sides of my nose because I wear glasses a lot of the day and it leaves an indentation on my nose, so I'm always like struggling to cover it up. I definitely feel like this like concealed my dark circles. I feel like my under eye looks really nice and bright. I am gonna add a little bit more concealer just to like do the whole look. Let's now try out the Pro Lux powder. This is the translucent powder, and all it really says is just that it's a matte translucent powder. Super basic and plain. It says translucent on the bottom, pink top. It also comes with a powder puff, which is really nice. On there, I'm gonna go ahead and just pour some into the cap. I'm gonna go ahead and just press this under my eyes. Like underneath. The powder doesn't really have a scent. What if I should do like a super basic eye look today? Yeah, I'm kind of feeling that because I was like wearing super heavy eye makeup the other day, and the day before like I was like full on eye makeup. So today I might do something with like fake lashes, like the press-on lashes. We'll see. I'll show you guys what I end up doing. I finished up the rest of my makeup. I will show you guys. I literally did this most simple eye look. I did brown wing liner, And then I wanted to try, if you want to see like a tutorial on this, let me know. I would make a separate video. These are Dell press-on pre-glued under lash extensions. Basically, you literally just press them underneath your lash, no glue, and it makes you look like you just got like lash extensions done. They're so fun. I'm having a really fun time with them. I just can't tell if this style of lashes, like these little press-on lash extension looking things, I'm like, do they make me, I'm like, do they like age your eyes? Because maybe it weighs your eye down a little bit, whereas mascara makes you, I don't know, feel a little bit fresher. That's kind of like the impression. But I like how like neat they look. I guess it's the best word for them. So these are the Wispies Natural. They work really well. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but they press on quite easily. I had a couple struggle moments, but for the most part, this is like the easiest press-on lash that I've done. And they're really fun. Like if you're going on a vacation, if you are going out at night, like I would totally wear these, and I'm just living my life during the day right now and I'm having fun with them. Okay, let's talk about the foundation. You guys, I think this foundation is so pretty. I didn't set my face with setting spray yet, but just to show you, like, this is crazy how nice this foundation is. Like, I am blown away. The finish is gorgeous. If you have oily skin, you need to grab you some of these. Like, I want to get all the shades because it's so good. It's so pretty. And my skin just looks so covered. It's like not too much. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel cakey. I don't feel too dry. Like, what is this? Why is this so good? It just goes to show you that you do not need to spend a lot on makeup. I say that in every video to get a good result. Like, excuse me, like this could be like a $40 to $50 foundation from Sephora, but it's not. I feel like I can't gatekeep, but also I'm like, I have to tell you guys how good this is so you can go grab it. So the shade is perfect. It layers beautifully with makeup. I can't rave about it enough. Like I love it. And I did not break out the other day. Like I told you guys, I only had one white head because that was from my period. But yeah, pick up the Pro Lux foundation. Oh, and the powder too. Pro Lux powder I think is so nice too. I really used it under my eyes. I probably could also use this underneath the face. I'm just gonna brush that away. So pretty. Like, I'm a fan. So I will do a check-in later on. And oh, actually, you know what? Let's spray. I have this new Essence Fix and Last 18-hour makeup setting spray. And this is free from, oh, it's free from oil and alcohol. It's waterproof. And it kind of looks like a little baby, like Urban Decay. First spray was like a dribble. What the heck? Okay, there we go. We're looking good. I feel like I have to like fan my face down. Okay guys, so here's the final look. Let me take out my little clippies. Wow. So nice. I love it. It's so pretty. What's up? We are just all natural daylight today. I love doing a foundation video in natural daylight. I'll film another video, and then the next time you see me will probably be on my vlog camera for a check-in. Hey guys, so it is the end of the night. I took off my Ardell lashes and I wanted to just give you an update on the foundation. It is 11 o'clock right now. I'm about to take off all my makeup and I just looked in the mirror and it still looks so good. I did have some mascara fall down my eye right here just to wipe that away, but besides that, I love the way it looks. This foundation is amazing and I'm so impressed. My forehead is a little shiny, but honestly I don't mind that. I think that looks good. I don't know why I like it. Everything just looks good. It lasts throughout the day. This is definitely a new favorite foundation. You guys have to grab this. I'm blown away, honestly. Like, even just at the lasting power. I feel like if I wear this like a full day, like from the morning to night, then I definitely will probably have to touch up because I feel like you can, if you're oily, because I feel like you probably will get some oily spots. Very hard to impress me with a foundation because I feel like none of them wear that well on me, but like the cheeks just look so good. Yeah, this is a winner. Thank you so much for watching. If you tried this foundation, comment down below and let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.